Today we're going to make, these are inspired by Chef John, French onion green bean casserole, perfect to go with any holiday meal. I will have the recipe linked below. These are the ingredients we're going to need. We're going to make nothing from a can today. Everything is fresh. So we're going to start by blanching our green beans in some salted water for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to put them in an ice bath so they stop cooking. Now we're going to go ahead and start a bechamel sauce. And you're going to start the sauce by basically making a roux. You're going to use equal parts of butter and flour. Get that butter nice and melty. Add our flour. You want to whisk this together and cook it for a little while, about a minute or so, before you go in with your milk. And because it's bechamel, you definitely want to add some nutmeg. And you're just going to keep this cooking until it thickens, a few minutes. Once it comes to a bubble, you lower to a simmer, and that's pretty much it. We didn't have to make a very large dinner this year, so we're using a very small casserole. It's about an 8x8. We're going to start with the green beans, and then we're going to layer the bechamel on top of this. Looking pretty good. And now we're going to top with our sauteed onions. Now we did go ahead and saute the onions the day before. It's a huge time saver. There we go. And now, of course, the Gruyere cheese, which makes this a French onion green bean casserole. And top this with some foil and bake at 375 for about 30 minutes. And then it does need to sit and rest for about 10 minutes or so. This side dish will delight anyone that you're serving a holiday meal to. It's definitely my husband's favorite. He absolutely loves it. And as you see, it's very simple to make.